Hello my fellow detailers, detailettes, soldiers of shine, waxing warriors and my gloss gladiators. Welcome to this video of the full detail of this Porsche 911 Carrera. In this video we are going to show you all the steps that are required to have maximizing effort and effectivity and to bring back the original splendor of this car where it's possible. Let's move on to the cleaning of the engine bay. We're going to use our APC ductile in the dilution of 1 to 5 to clean the engine bay. On the side of our bottle you can find multiple dilutions that are commonly used. In this case the blue bar represents the amount of water and the clear represents the amount of product. Now, the most common dirt inside of the engine is of course grease. You can imagine that a 34-year-old air-cooled engine is sweating a lot. Now this product is so sophisticated that if you do not have any steam cleaning system, a simple wipe down with a microfiber is enough to remove all residue because it leaves no residue because of the no residue technology. Working in these close quarters, it's a very nice sensation that because of this product there is no sore throat, no throat hit, because there are no caustic ingredients inside the product. So even though I'm very powerfully cleaning the surface, I'm actually not damaging my health whatsoever. With a dilution of 1 to 5, a little bit of agitation, one single wipe down with the microfiber, no water necessary, the surface is squeaky clean. It leaves no stickiness to the surface, whilst dust cannot adhere anymore. To clean the engine bay, we're going to use the geyser system. This system allows us to use dry steam and wet steam. This will create extra safety when we're cleaning the electricity parts with dry steam, and when we need some extra rinsing action, because of the amount of grease, we add some water for some extra cleaning power. Now, when we look here inside and we see around the cooling fan, we see that the factory installed the protective wax, and we might not find the solution to clean this because it's already there for 34 years. Deca Flash from Mafra is the perfect balance between performance and safety. So it will not damage the surface, but it will give us extra cleaning power on the surface to be treated, in this case the cooling fan of the engine. So I expected some results, but not these kinds of results. What an amazing product in combination with steam. I cannot believe that we just blast off the wax that is probably there for 34 years in seconds. Fan-freaking-tastic. Okay, engine bay, done. Even here we managed to use a 3 pH system. Ductile, alkaline to get rid of the grease. Deca Flash, solvent based to get rid of the wax. Inergo, any lime scaling that is on a drop surface where water can rest. Acid. Let's move on to the pre-wash.